ठीक है
It's English, Hindi.
Sir, the situation in Jammu division overnight, we were told that more than 30 have died at Mata Vaishno Devi. If you can help us understand the casualty figures and the situation currently.
No, you're right. The situation was quite worrisome, but I must appreciate the administration. They have been on the job throughout the night. The divisional commissioner is himself sitting along with the representatives of all the departments. Of course, the water levels of the river Tavi have receded, which passes through Jammu, but the water levels of river Chenab have not yet. They were close to the danger mark early morning, then they crossed the danger mark, then somehow receded, but still. And the rain is continuing, though of a lesser intensity. Many structures have got damaged, as you were also showing one of the bridges, Tavi bridges in Jammu, and also that monumental Madhupur bridge, which went down in the history when Dr. Sama Prasad Mukherjee was arrested from the middle of that bridge on the 11th of May 1953. That bridge also last night suffered damage, and then a call was received from the Punjab government that the traffic should be stopped from 3 a.m. in the morning. That bridge was also forbidden for the traffic movement. But the army, the paramilitary, the navy and the civil authorities are working in perfect coordination. They have ordered the schools and colleges to remain closed today. The general public has been requested to reduce the non-essential movement as far as possible, and without getting into panic, to coordinate with each other. Unfortunately, the mobile services went down, but they are working very hard on this, and now they have started gradually getting restored. So also was the electricity and water supply, even in towns like Jammu, Udhampur. But I believe now almost 30-35% of restoration has been done. They are doing it on a war footing.
So, are students still stranded at Mata Vaishno Devi?
They are making arrangements for them to move out because the yatra has been suspended and even the trains to Katara have been held up for a while.
So when do we think the situation will normalize, sir?
No, I think the weather forecast was there, but the rains have been heavy, and as our statistics point out in the IMD, this is possibly the heaviest rainfall in the last 99 years.
Sir, you've also apprised the Prime Minister about it.
I think that's very reassuring for us that the Honourable Prime Minister is personally keeping a track of the situation and he's receiving regular updates. So that's a huge encouragement for us.